Hey, welcome back to my Weesie channel. As you can see, my background, we're down in the basement, okay? Just y'all kids out say, where are she at? So we're down in my basement. So we're about to go out because I'm about to go get some nails done. Finally getting my nails done, so come on. Y'all, we pick up cold and rainy day to come out. Cold and rainy day. Y'all, I hope it's not crowded inside there. I hope we'll be able to get in and get out. Get in and get out. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, y'all, we have reached and look like my lady will do my nails. She has a client already. So hopefully the client is almost done. Or yeah, and she don't have nobody else waiting for her to do their nails. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, I have to wait. For more minutes, she said. So then I get more. You guys, it's my time. It's my time. Hey guys, if y'all wondering how we get to this step so fast, because I thought I had my camera recording, but it wasn't. So I'm about to explain what Tina is doing right now to my nails. She's putting the new acrylic on my nails. The old acrylic, she already took it off, and now she's adding some new ones. And right now she's checking out to make sure that everything has acrylic on, and as you can see, it did not, so she had to go fix it. And now she's on the other hand going to do these 5 fingers up, and she's works very fast, y'all, very fast. So she's about to do this up, and then after that she's going to file it down, get it nice and neatly, but y'all will see, so y'all keep watching. how beautiful this set is. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Okay, y'all, we are done. Nails are done. Hey! So now I'm about to, we about to head on to, I think we need to go on to something good to eat. Okay, y'all, welcome back to Mama Weesie channel. I was sitting here eating a banana. And y'all, we're about to get a no-bake Oreos. Y'all may have seen it before, but now I'm trying it again. And this time, we're going to win. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. Are y'all ready to get started on the no-bake Oreos? Okay, I have my box of Oreo. Okay, we have butter, crock. Then I have my mixer, my aluminum foil, my pan, and then my measuring containers, stuff like that. Okay, so I don't need this one. All right, so I'm gonna line my pan up with aluminum foil. All right, like this. Okay, now open the box. Okay, this is the mix. Okay, these are the Oreos, chop up, and also I have some pack of Oreos just in case if that's not enough. Okay, then this is the mix. Crust. The mix. And then this is the filling, right? Okay. So, first, because I gotta read the box, y'all. Okay, put this to the side for now. And this to the side for now. Go over there. And then these two I will keep right here. So, guess what, y'all? I'm gonna mix up something. I don't even have the bowl. So, wait a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Got the bowl. Okay, so first, we're going to, and butter. So we're gonna put the butter and, so we're gonna put the butter and the crust mix in the pan, right? First, that's what we about to do. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna mix the butter all down with the crust mix. Okay. So now we're gonna set this to the side and we're gonna start mixing up the filling, okay? So this is all my shot. I use Cracker Barrel butter, melted butter. Some of y'all can use, if you're using a stick of butter, you're going to use 3 tablespoons of butter, okay? Okay, and that's what I did, and I melted it. The butter got to be melted, and then you mix it. Well, not mix it. You put it once you put your crust mix at the bottom of the pan, melt the butter up in it, and you just pour it on top, just like this. I'm gonna bring y'all a little closer so y'all can see. Okay, this is what it's looking like. So now I'm gonna set this to the side so I can begin to mix. Okay. Now I'm about to open up the filling. then we're going to use 1 cup and 1/3 of a cup of milk. Pour it in here. Then we're going to get the mixer and put it on low speed, okay? And mix up the mix. Ooh. That's not hot. Let's see if I'm high, y'all. Right, and this is what it looks like. Hold on. And this is what it looks like. White filling mix. So now we're gonna take it and we're gonna pour it on here. But first, let me read to make sure. Okay. Guess what? I thought I was recording me making the Oreos. But guess the no bake Oreo. But guess what? The camera died, and I didn't know it died. But this is the finishing touch, y'all. This is what it looks like. So now I'm about to put it in the refrigerator for hours, and then we'll take it out and see what it's tasting like. Y'all don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.